Australia has around 12,000 beaches, and here on the Sunshine Coast, we have some of the best. Our magnificent coastline attracts millions of visitors every year. And with the help of our healthy, smart and creative council, everybody can access and enjoy a sunbake and a splash. As beautiful as our beaches are, they can be unpredictable and dangerous. That's why Council has invested more than $5 million into lifeguard services this year and beyond. To ensure our highly skilled lifeguards like Jennifer continue to patrol our beaches and keep your safety in the very best of hands.